What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel for another video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Alethea, and for those of you that have been here before and are my ride or dies, thank you so much for coming, as well as thank you to the new people that are here. For those of you that are new, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Just go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Don't even wait to the end of the video because you're gonna like it. I hope you're gonna like it. So anyway, no, your eyes are not deceiving you. My hair is darker and it is not a spray. I have colored my hair. Yes, I did. I actually, well, it's not a permanent color. First of all, let me just say this stuff smells so good. So it is called Arctic Fox Ritual Semi-Permanent Hair Color. I purchased this from, I was about to say Amazon. I purchased this from Ulta. It was $17. I bought this and something else. I don't even remember because I have a haul that's coming up. But anyway, this color has no peroxide, no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, and no PPD, whatever that is. So you can see that here. So I really wanted that color out of my head. I really did. I just did not. I did want it brighter than this. Let me say that. I did want it back to the color that it originally was, but this is what I got, and this is, I'm satisfied with this. I like this better than that other dull brown looking color. So this is what the direction says, and this is what I did. Shampoo hair and dry. Apply petroleum jelly around hairline to prevent staining. I didn't apply the petroleum jelly because, as you'll see in the clips, I did not do the roots of my hair. Wear protective gloves. Apply color evenly, working in small sections, and leave in for at least 30 minutes. And I left it in exactly 30 minutes. Exactly. For best results, cover hair with plastic cap. I did that. Process with heat. Blow dry up to 15 minutes. I did not process it with heat. Rinse hair in cold water away from face. I did rinse it. The water was warm because I don't have a shampoo bowl, so I had to rinse this in the shower. So of course I was not going to take a shower in cold water, so I had to rinse it in warm water. Color will fade with each shampoo and may last longer depending upon hair type, condition, porosity, products, and styling. So therefore I should probably get about a month out of this color, and after a month I'll just get another one. And so far it doesn't look like it has any adverse effects on my hair. So, and I'm loving it, and I'm loving the way my hair smells. It smells so good. So if you want to see how I put this color on my hair, then please continue to watch. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a like, a comment, and subscribe, as I said at the beginning. And yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on this color. Now I will say there are some areas that I did not get the color on really well. There are some areas that I could have took the color up a little bit higher, but I didn't. And so yeah, I'll just have to remember to do that the next time. But anyway, that is it for this video. So like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Check out another video before you leave. So in the meantime and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.